knew this was the plan all along. To lay me off just so you can run into her arms. Oh, Jesus. You have no idea that I am the master of this game. And you, Tyra, I warned you. I told you to stay away from my man, but you refused to listen. Well, there is no rest for the wicked. And you both rest. No.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. But lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from all evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Thank you, King of Glory, for answered prayer. Christ. Amen.
That was beautiful. Just like you.
Oh, thank you, baby.
So I hope you have a great day today. Yeah?
You too, my love.
And I'm going to help you take your stuff to the shop before I go to the site.
Oh, thank you.
Of course.
Thank you, baby. Alright.
Okay. You ready to head out now?
Yes.
Okay. Bye, babe. I need to hurry up, okay? I don't want to go to work late.
Oh, alright. So I'll see you later at home.
Sure. Love you.
Alright.
You didn't say you love me.
I love you more. Love you more. Bye.
Hello, Mr. Perfect.
No, go on.
I'm good, sir. I'm good, sir. How are you? Okay, what's that, sir? Okay, no problem, sir.
Hey, customer, what do you say you want?
I want watermelon. That big one is how much?
200 naira. This one 200. This one 100 naira.
How the thing won't cost like this now?
As if I don't see him now. You don't see the country every day.
Okay, give me 100 naira. Oh.
You don't do you. Hey.
How many 100 naira?
Thank you. Come back again. My watermelon sweet. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, Anna. Take care. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hey, my love, how you doing?
This one that you came under this hot sun, is everything okay?
Everything is good, but I need your help with something. Okay, so Mr. Perfect called me, right? And he said that he was supposed to snap somebody today, had a client, right? But he had to travel, he forgot, right? So the client called him today and said that she's ready for the photo shoot. So he called me and he said I should go to his office, pick up his camera and go do the shoot. Which is great, right? But the address he sent me for the photo shoot is far. I can't track it. You get me? So I need
How much do you need?
like 1K. Yeah. Thank you so much.
I'm happy for you,
I
babe.
really, really appreciate it. Come here. Alright, I have to go now.
Okay, good luck. All the best.
Madam,
Hmm?
there is this man at the gate. He said he's a photographer and has an appointment with you.
Yeah. Bring him in.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You must be Miss Tyra.
Yes, I am. And you are not Mr. Perfect.
I'm here for your photo shoot.
Are you kidding me? Are you serious?
No, yeah. No, yeah.
Mr. Perfect, I contracted you and paid you for my photo shoot. And we had this day booked for this photo shoot. Like, I kept my own side of the bargain. So, why do you want to make me look like a fool? Look, this will only make us regretting why we ever met each other. So please, come and do the job I paid you for. Good day. Young man, I do not have any business with you, so you can leave now.
No, I'm a good photographer. Just give me a chance, okay? I promise you I'll do a good job. I'm actually good at this.
I said I do not have any business with you. Please leave.
This business means a lot to me, okay? Just give me 10 minutes, okay? I'll set up real quick. Just 10 minutes, okay? If you don't like my handwork, I'll go.
Please shut the door after you.
Please, let me just show you.
I said leave already! God. You have 20 minutes. Convince me.
Beautiful. Great. That's very nice. Very beautiful. Whew. Okay. Do you mind sitting here?
Okay.
Let me move this. Watch out for the. Okay. Please. Yeah. This will make a great picture. Nice. Wait, sorry. Just hold that thought. Hold that thought. One more. I'm sorry. You like it? Sorry, what were you gonna say?
Can I see what you have?
Sure, of course. So, okay. To scroll is this to scroll, but you move it this way.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
I must say that I'm impressed.
Thank you.
I mean, I love the angles. I love the creativity in the shots.
Thank you.
This is actually a very beautiful picture.
It looks really nice. You know, when the person you're taking pictures of is beautiful, it makes it easier. So, yeah.
Thank you.
No, it's true. You're welcome.
This is so cute.
Yeah, and look at that. Try your leg with the shoes and everything.
Thank you so much.
No, you're welcome.
Tell me, how long have you been a photographer?
I've been taking pictures for a while now.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You're really doing a good job.
Thank you.
Just give me a minute to come back.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me.
I'm done.
All right.
Pictures.
Okay.
I already love everything I've seen. I'm done.
You're satisfied with it?
Sure, I
Okay.
love them.
All right. Thank you. I'll just pack up then. Okay. All right.
It was stressful, but a very memorable photo shoot.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome. Here is your transport fare.
Ma. This 5,000. Is it not too much?
Too much? After all the stress, it's not too much.
Okay.
You did very well,
Oh.
thank you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
What about my pictures? When will we be out?
Okay, well, that is Mr. Perfect. We'll get back to you on that. All right.
Alright,
Thank you, ma.
thank you.
All right. Okay, have a great day.
Thank you so much.
All
You
right.
too.
She give you 5,000 naira for transport.
Yes, you know, I gave her the best shots I could give her and she blessed me with 5,000, so very happy.
Babe, I am so happy for you. Your dedication to photography is gradually paying off.
You know, it's called dignity in labor and a spice of grace, you know? Grace is very important. Babe, you know what? I'm going to cook for you today. A delicious meal. Very delicious.
Really?
Yeah. Yes. I just need to drop this stuff back at Mr. Perfect's place and I'll go to the market, pick out the best ingredients for you, and when you come home, I'll shock you.
Alright, babe. Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you so much.
The container can easily be rebranded. The container can easily be rebranded.
Wait. Tiago. Agent, how is it? What? Ogo. Capone, they call you.
My friend, come off my road.
I say Capone, they call you. You the phone Galadima. Wait till they worry you. Calm down now.
I say, clear my... Bro, I don't want to fight you.
Wait. Not off more, so. Zoe can get better on this sigi. Hello. Call you. Where you go?
Get out of my way.
I said Capone, they call you.
My friend, come off my... Get out of my way.
I said Capone, they call you. Where you the phone Galadima?
Hey,
calm down now.
I swear to God.
Submit your answers. Time over.
No. Please. It's not my own. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Please. It's not my own.
Hello.
If it's my... No. Please. It's not my own. It's not my own. If it's my own, I can give you, I swear. Please. No. It's not my own.
Oh my goodness! What kind of temptation is this now, eh? How do we go about this situation now?
I have no idea. I don't know. That's why I've been thinking since this thing happened. Why would this kind of thing happen? I don't know why. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Hey. And he won't believe you. Hey.
Baby, we have to call Mr. Perfect as soon as possible and tell him what happened. Mr. Perfect. Hurry.
Officer, get him out of my sight.
No. Please. I'm telling you the truth. They stole it from me at
I
gunpoint.
don't care what you went through.
They had a gun.
If you were swindled or robbed,
Sir, please.
All I'm talking about right here is my camera. I want back my camera or you get me back my money.
Mr. Perfect.
Mr. Perfect, just calm down now. Eh? I've known Jason for quite some time now, and he's not a liar nor a thief. Exactly. We can find some better ways to resolve this
Yes, sir.
matter.
Yes, sir.
Like for real? Young man, you had better mind your business and you speak for yourself.
Yeah?
I love it when people don't tread into my business. This is my business. You had better keep off. I want my money back on my camera. Or do you want to pay for the camera? Officer!
Sir.
No.
Get him out of my sight!
Please, I'm begging you. Please, I'm telling you.
It was an accident, don't do
Yes.
Hey!
Please,
Did I
sir.
just hear you talk about accident?
Yes, it was an accident.
It was, sir.
It was an accident.
Look at the size and the height of the man who claimed he was.
They had a gun, sir. They had a
Will
gun.
you shut up?
Sorry, sir.
Listen, I'm used to people hiding my camera and telling me they were robbed.
That's not what happened, sir.
Right now, I want back my camera, nothing more.
Sir, I'm telling you,
Okay.
I will never do that.
Officer,
Sir.
take him away!
Hey,
Officer,
wait now, be coming down now. This your fellow man, wait till they saw. This is our country, too. Not small thing, you call police. Don't tell me to calm down.
Young man.
What is this man feeling like? They tell you, say they robbed the guy, they hear they speak. Yummy. Now.
Young man,
Huh?
calm down and let the police do their job.
Which police?
I did not say on camera, sir. Please, I did not say on camera.
Take him away!
I swear I did not say on camera.
Not like this. Not like this. So, I don't worry yourself. Now, what did I do you? It's our country. Huh?
Yeah, Mr. Perfect. How are you? Yes, it's been days since I took a picture with your guy and he said you were going to deliver it to me. But I've not heard anything since then. Why? What has delivering the pictures got to do with you coming to my house to see me? Okay, I am at home. Alright, I'll be waiting.
I'm sorry, mother. It wasn't my intention to disappoint you. When you told me about the photo shoot, I was pretty busy as at that time. I had intention to pen it down. I forgot. That was why the date clashed. I'm very sorry. I mean no disrespect.
It's okay, no problem. Your guy delivered. So where are my pictures?
Madam, that's why I'm here now. Jason called me after the photo shoot and told me he was robbed. My camera, all my pictures in the camera, they are all gone. We lost everything.
What are you talking about? I don't understand.
That was what he told me. He said he was robbed. But then I don't believe him one bit. As we speak, he's in the police net. By the time they touch on him for 1 week, he will tell the truth.
I'm so sorry about what happened.
It's okay.
But why did you get him arrested? Do you think he's lying?
He's obviously lying, madam. Yes, he's lying.
Well, I don't know him that much, but I do not think he'll be telling lies.
Madam, listen to me. You don't know these guys one bit. They can fabricate stories to suit their devilish acts. My boys have done these things to me several times. When I hadn't even realized the kind of game they play at my back. But right now, my eyes, blood shall finish.
I will pay for the camera.
Are you for real?
Take me to the police station where he is so I can have him released.
Madam, are you serious?
Of course I am serious.
That's alright. You already have my duties with you. Effect my transfer, I get the money, and then I can take you to the police station. So you can tired of coming around and trying to have someone complain about money. I didn't know. I knew what that thing cost me before I was able to get it. It took me virtually every drop of blood in my vein.
So how much is the camera?
Thank you, ma. Sorry I didn't tell you that we were coming. I should have.
No, it's fine. It's okay.
Yeah. Well, this is Nelly. She's my girlfriend.
Yes.
And we just came to say thank you so very much for your help. You know, we really appreciate this and we're not taking it for granted. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much, madam. Like, seriously, I had no idea people with your kind of heart still exists. Like, what would we have done if you hadn't come through for us? Thank you so much, madam. God bless you.
Yes, God bless you.
It's okay. It's fine. I'm so happy I was able to help. It's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You did a lot.
No, it's okay. So you said that you guys don't want anything
No, we're good. We just came to say thank you.
Oh,
We really appreciate it.
it's okay. So she's your girlfriend?
She is.
Yes, I am.
Oh, nice. She's actually pretty.
Thank you. You are too. And your house is beautiful.
Oh, wow. It's a beautiful house.
Thank you. Thank you. You love him. I understand. But this guy is in love with someone else. That's why I'm handicapped. Girlfriend, for me, I'll say you let this guy be. Forget about him. He's not meant for you. Look, okay. This is the biggest challenge I'm facing now. Because the more I try to get him out of my mind, the more I see myself thinking about him. I'm so confused. You don't need to be confused, right? I just want you to have this at the back of your mind. That it's needless nurturing a feeling that can never be. Look for something else to distract yourself. And I believe gradually you will forget about this guy. Alright? But I'm so engulfed. You are so engulfed? What? My girlfriend that I know does not have any time for any guy, let alone being engulfed. Love strong, oh. Okay, fine. Are you mocking me now? Really?
Okay, no.
Then why are you laughing? Look, okay, you should leave now. Leave my house!
I am not going anywhere.
I hate you.
I hate you.
Okay, you're laughing at me.
Engulf indeed.
You're not serious. Okay, now give me my drink. That's over.
Should we toast to that?
My dear, initially we thought the guy was all these guys that likes everything on that skirt. So the girl decided to go for the money now. It's now you, Nko. Little did she know that the guy was serious. Lo and behold, he proposed. Ha! You know the most amazing thing? They are getting married next week.
Are you serious? Hey, Mado.
That was why my baby decided to resign and go and enjoy herself.
My sister, if na you, Nko. Na you.
So I said, let me come and tell you. That position is vacant. Are you sure you are not interested?
Eh? Which kind of question be that? Babe, I am very interested. You know I do not make enough money from this place now. Omo, I need a job. Oh.
Do.
I do.
You do. See what I will do. I will take you to my manager. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Hey.
Once I take you there.
Ah, Lizzie. You be better person. Thank you so much. Ah, my girl. Thank you.
This is
Thank you.
I knew you when you were at Matrix. You used to be all this baby slahot. Now look at you, fruit. You fruit.
You don't do. It's okay.
My sister, what I cannot do does not exist.
That's so.
Yes,
you like to show yourself.
No.
What's funny?
Looking into your eyes, I can see 1,001 thoughts running through your mind.
I've been thinking a whole lot about you. The first time we met, I felt a spark inside of me. And a day without you seems like hell. I even see you in my dreams. A day without you seems like hell. I know this is so strange because it's happening so fast. But I know what I feel is real. I love you. I love you so much, Jason.
I know, but I can't give us a chance, okay? Because I'm in love with someone else.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, but this is so strange that even as my heart keeps telling me that we can never have anything together, my mind, I just can't get you out of my mind. don't know. I'm just so confused.
So Nelly, what happened?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing?
I am just not interested.
Why did you punch my boss?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine that useless, shameless he-goat wanted to have sex with me because he wants to employ me? Can you imagine that, Lizzie? And that punch was just to remind him that it is not every girl he sees that is cheap or needs money.
That is cheap and needs money. So you punched a multi-millionaire just because he asked for sex?
Wait, hold on. It does not mean anything to you? Seriously, that doesn't mean anything to you? Well, my dear, it means a lot to me. Baby girl, I have a boyfriend and I will never cheat on him.
Hey! You are useless. You are very stupid. Do you know what I did to get you that job? A job that pays 120,000 naira a month. Nelly! You're sitting down here telling me of your stupid, wretched liability.
You are mad. Lizzie, you are a very stupid human being. If you open your useless mouth and insult my boyfriend again, try it.
You are sick. You are sick upstairs because I don't know what that wretched thing has done to you. I don't know what he gave you. Somebody you clothe, you feed, he even sleeps under your roof. You rejected a job for a liability, a wretched liability. A boy that I don't even know where you got him from. Someone that has no sense. Are you not stupid? Are you not stupid enough that that boy is talking?
Oh, but you don't let this thing go. I don't understand. Hello, Marianne. Why are you crying? Marianne, what? Marianne, stop. Wait, what's going on? Stop crying now so I can hear you. What's going on? Why are you crying? Jesus Christ. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she now? Okay, I'm coming.
Vomiting blood.
I know. She has peptic ulcer and it's very, very bad now. My sister rushed her to the hospital and the doctor was saying that we have to deposit 270,000 before he can even start treatment.
That's a huge amount of money.
I know. How can he say before he even touches her we have to pay 270,000? Where am I?
Where are we going to get that kind of money from?
I have no idea. I don't know.
Hey. Hey. The only money I have saved in my account is just 29,000 naira. But I think we can just take that to the doctor now, give it to him so he can commence treatment. Don't you think so?
How much do you say?
29,000 naira now.
Madam.
Yeah.
That photographer is at the gate. He said he wants to see you.
Oh, okay. Let him in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon. Please, I am not mine. My name is Tyra.
Sorry.
Yes, it's please. How are you doing? You look worried and stressed. Hope all is well.
All is not well. If I'm being honest, my mother has ulcer. It's a very bad kind. And she's in the hospital now. The doctor said I have to pay 270,000 before he starts treating her. And I don't have any money. I don't have any money at all. Please, can you help me? Please, I would really appreciate it if you could please help me.
Yes. I can help you, okay? You just need to calm down. I'll go up and change to something else and then we can go see her.
Thank you. Thank you so
I'll be back
much.
just
God
now.
bless you.
No,
Thank
it's
you.
Fine. I'll be back shortly.
Okay.
Alright?
I'll be waiting. Thank you.
Hello? Hi, baby. So, what's the situation over there? Tyra? How did she know what's happening? Okay, no problem. Tell her thank you. May God bless her. I'll call you later. Bye. Tyra. Jason and Tyra Iki. This had better not be what I am thinking.
Baby. So, what do you want to eat? Anything you want to eat, I'll make it happen. Or at least I'll try my best.
I am not hungry.
Babe, why are you being all moody now? You've been moody since I came back. What's going on? Babe, talk to me. Huh? I know there's something wrong, okay? But don't you think talking to me about it will help sort this out? Have we started keeping secrets from each other? Huh? You're keeping secrets from me? Why are you looking at me like that?
I am fine.
You're not fine. I know when you're fine, you're not. You're fine as in beautiful, but come, babe, stop. Babe. Hello, Tyra. How you doing? Yeah, no, I'm fine. My day was good. My mother. Thank you for asking. She's doing much better right now. You know, thank you so much for everything. You know. No, yeah, I have. What did I? Plantain porridge. Yes, with plantain porridge. It was nice as well. You? Oh, nice. Oh, really? What time? Okay, yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll come over to your place. Sure. Okay. All right then. So good night and take care. Okay. All right. Are you serious? No. We can talk a little bit more. Are you serious? I did not expect that. That's what you said before. Got me a gift. What did you get? Are you serious? You got me a camera. Are you serious? These 7,000. What? Thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate this. Thank you so much. I didn't expect this.
You are a talented photographer, and I thought getting you a good camera and setting up a decent photo studio for you will help actualize your dreams. So,
are you serious?
You're really good at this, and you should earn a living from it.
Thank you so much. I mean, what would I do in life without you? You've done a lot for me, you know? But this is massive. Thank you so much.
Nothing is too much to give to someone you love.
My friend, thank you so much for coming. I didn't even know you would show up. Thank you so much. Lizzie, I beg, I called you here because I went to your house 2 times. I did not see you there. I'm sorry about what happened the other day. Forgive me, please. I promise it was not intentional. You know I cannot intentionally hurt you. I don't know what came over me. I beg, forgive me. Please.
You know I'm forgiving you. I'm forgiving you because of old time's sakes. For old time. Friendship. One person holds friendship, and that person is me.
Why you they talk like this now?
If you had killed me in your house, what would I have told you? What would I tell them?
No vex for me, I beg. I'm so sorry. My friendship, my friend you be oh. If you throw away me now, who go pick me up? I beg, no vex. I'm so sorry.
What?
Apple for you. I know you like apple.
It's not that I want anything, no. It's because you asked and you are insisting.
Oh yeah, what do you want?
Just put 2 apples, this big one.
Okay.
Put this one. then put this one 4, put this one 2. Then you can add like just 2 cucumber, and I'm good.
Finish.
You can also give me that big one if you want to add it. You can add it.
Yes. Lizzie, carry the show.
You asked.
Take the whole show.
You asked. I was on my own. You asked me.
No, you won't carry my show.
But you see me.
Because of forgiveness.
You asked.
My girl, okay, make her just put apple for you.
2.
Jason.
So where are you coming from?
Well, I went to Tyra's place. Remember I told you I was going there? I'm sorry I'm coming back late. But there's good news, okay? Guess what's in here? She got me a camera. She got me D7000. Can you imagine? Babe, this is a really nice camera. She said she's going to set up a studio for me, like a photo studio. She's going to do all that. Check out the camera. It's really nice. Like, anybody that knows about cameras knows about this. It's really nice. It's the D7000. Okay, I'm just going to.
camera is beautiful. I called you throughout yesterday and you did not take your calls. Why?
Because we're calling at a very, very wrong time.
I don't understand.
It's not hard to understand, okay? I'm in love with another woman and I live with her, okay? So you calling me all the time, it's making her feel uncomfortable. She thinks I'm cheating on her now.
So, what are you insinuating?
Just give me some space. Okay? Just space.
So, you think it's that easy? You're not in my shoes, so you do not understand what I'm going through. I hate myself knowing too well that I can't get away from your shackles. But you don't even understand. Probably you don't know what I'm going through because you have no feelings for me.
I'd be lying if I said I didn't have feelings for you. But it's not just about us, okay? It's not just about you or me. I mean, there are other people. They've been there since the beginning, okay? It would be selfish not to think about the effects of our actions on people, especially our loved ones. Just give us some space. I'm sorry. It's difficult, but I have to do what's right. Okay.
Love you.
Since when did you start drinking? What's going on? Why are you crying? Since when did you start drinking? What's this about? Why are you crying? Huh? Or why are you drinking this? Come on, babe.
Well, sometimes we embrace our enemies to shield us from our friends.
What does that mean? Babe, stop drinking that. That's your drinking is straight. What are you doing? You're going to have a crazy hangover tomorrow. What does that mean? Do your enemies, friends? What are you talking about?
Can I ask you a question?
Babe, stop drinking. What are you doing? You're hurting your liver. You're not used to this and you're drinking it straight from the bottle.
When your enemy gives you the kind of solace that your friends deny you, what do you do?
What do you do? You're talking in riddles. I don't understand what you're talking about. Babe, stop. Stop doing... Ow!
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You touch me, I will kill you.
Why are you talking in riddles? It doesn't make sense. I mean, babe, look at me. Look at me. What's this pain I see in your eyes? Why'd you look like this?
Betrayal. Betrayal hurts like hell. And the most painful part of betrayal is when it comes from someone you trust, someone who was supposed to protect you, the person who is supposed to be there for you. When they betray you, it hurts like hell.
Babe, stop. You're drooling. Come on, babe. Just...
Don't touch me! Leave me alone! Get out of my room! To get out. Just get out of my room. I said get out! Get out! Simple English. This is my friend. This is what gives me peace.
Nelly, are you sure you're not overreacting?
Lizzie, I can be anything, but certainly not stupid. I know the games Jason and Tyra are playing. I am not a child. But they have no idea who they are dealing with.
I think you should calculate your steps. Not everything is as it seems.
Lizzie, I spent time and energy. I invested everything in this man. And I will not lose him because I am trying to make calculated steps. I will not do that. Do you understand? And sometimes you have to scatter before you build.
Nelly, I think you should tone down on your temper. Tone it down. Tone it down. Remember what it has cost you. Remember what it has cost you. Yes.
What do you mean by that?
You know what I mean. You know exactly what I mean. How? Nelly, you destroyed a wonderful job you had with Matrix Energy because of your temper. This same temper made you react and you lost your job. A big company that got you this wonderful place. How you destroyed everything and lost your job because of this temper. Or should I even say, the man you punched. A man that was trying to link you up for a job. Nelly.
Please, Lizzie, I do not want to talk about all of those things. Please.
We will talk about it. Yes, we will. You nearly killed me in your house. You nearly choked me to death.
I've said sorry and I've apologized.
I know you have, but you still need to tone down. You still need to calm down. Look at you. A beautiful, hard-working young lady working in a wonderful company. All of a sudden, because of this temper, you're selling fruits. You're selling fruit, Nelly. Think now. Think now. Think. Nelly, a wise woman builds her home. A foolish one scatters it. Think. Think, please.
Hey babe, how are you doing? My friend wants you to do her birthday shoot, so she chose my house as her location. And next tomorrow is the date. I'll be expecting you next tomorrow and I can't wait to see you because I've missed you so much. Okay? Why are you silent on me? Babe? Hello? Hello? Why is this happening? Picking. Why are you picking? I just called you now, right? I remember you. You are Jason's girlfriend.
Good sense of memory.
What do I owe this unannounced visit? Hope you guys are fine.
Yes! We were. Up until you came into our lives and tried to destroy everything that took me years and lots of sacrifices to build.
You lost me.
Oh, shut it! Don't you dare act dumb! You know what the hell I am talking about. Oh, you think I don't know the dirty games you tried to play with Jason? Huh? But get this thing clear. I spent years with plenty of sacrifices to just sit and watch you come into our lives and destroy everything I built. Do you understand?
Isn't it obvious that you're torn for years in your so-called relationship yielded nothing? Rather, it sets Jason back. It's a pity that some people find it very difficult to realize when their chapter in a man's life ends. My darling, your chapter in Jason's life and story is over. My coming into Jason's life has made his dreams come to reality. Please, I beg you, do not shatter this for him.
Let go of me! Do not tempt me. Do not tempt me, because I swear you will regret it. Oh my God.
What is it?
Shut the gate.
Huh?
Shut the gate.
Shut
Shut the gate!
Yes, ma'am.
Jesus.
Why would you go over to her place and attack her? Why would you do that kind of thing? Why would you cause such an unnecessary scene? That was not necessary. Okay? That didn't paint you, that didn't put you in a good light. And you know that.
I know your plans to leave me for her, but it will not work.
Nelly, not even once has the thought of what you just accused me of crossed my mind, not even for a second.
Jason, you must think I am a fool.
That's not what I'm saying, okay? That is far from what I'm saying. I'm just saying that your assumptions are wrong. It's wrong.
Well, we shall see about that. Just know that I have my eyes on both of you.
At times, women can make a mountain out of an ant's hill. I mean, what's the big deal? I don't understand it. Why are you fighting your shadow? I don't understand where her insecurity is coming from. It doesn't make sense to me.
I agree with you 100%, okay? But then, to be honest with ourselves, we got to be sincere. You've been with this girl for 2 years, or should I say, the other way around, you know what I mean? But then, this has not happened. So are you trying to tell me that you've not run some package with this other girl?
See, what matters is what's in a person's heart. That's what matters, not the mistakes, that we've made in the past when we were weak for a moment. It's what's in your heart that matters, I mean, both of them have shown me love. But the truth is, I've given my undivided love to Nelly, and it's going to remain that way.
Okay, you're correct. But do you constantly remind her that you love her, like on a daily?
So she's trying to say she doesn't know what the man she's about to marry is capable of? Or she's trying to say that Tyra is the only rich woman that stepped up to me? Is that what she thinks? Because she'll be wrong if that's what she thinks.
What about security of love? They need assurances.
Yeah, but without trust, you can't have security of love. Nothing survives a heart full of jealousy. Nothing. Okay, and she needs to understand that.
It's okay.
I don't know why she'll be making a big deal out of nothing.
Calm down, man. I mean, she's a woman. Calm down.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay. All right. No, just stay. Maintain the position. Okay. You can let go of your leg. Yeah? Do you mind just facing me straight on?
Alright.
Yes. Okay. Hold on, let me get this. Great. Hold on, hold that pose. Hold it. Hold on. Great. Alright. Turn this way for me. No, the other way. The other way. I'm sorry. Back this way. Just look this way. Beautiful. With a nice smile on your face. Beautiful. That's nice. That's nice. Hold that pose. Hold it. That's gold. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, well, do you mind just sitting on the arm of this chair? Right here.
All right.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is nice. She has a beautiful smile. You guys are in the same WhatsApp group. Okay, okay. Yes, do that. Nice. Do it again. Do something. Anything. Yes. Beautiful. That's nice. I like that smile. It's genuine. Yes.
Babe, I want to take a picture.
You want to take a look?
Yes.
Oh
my God, this is beautiful.
That's nice.
These pictures are really beautiful. Hey, I told you, you need to come and see this. They're so nice.
So,
And the outfit.
Is this the photo shoot you told me you were coming for, Jason? Huh?
Calm down. Okay, just go. We'll talk about this when I get home. Just go.
I should go. I should just go.
Calm down.
And you, I warned you. I told you to stay away from my man. But you would not listen. Is she okay? Please. Oh, talk to me!
What are you doing?
Oh my
What
God.
are you doing?
What are you doing?
Jason?
Kate.
What?
I'm so sorry.
What? Hey, stop it. You're going to break this camera.
Take
You're
her
going to
out.
break this camera. Stop.
Jason,
Stop.
let me go.
Stop.
I will punch you.
Hey, no.
Let me go.
Listen, stop.
Let me go, Jason.
Stop. What are you doing?
What's wrong with
I'm so sorry.
Tyra?
I'm so sorry.
Tyra, get out! Tyra, leave my house! Tyra, leave!
It's not necessary. This is not
Leave!
necessary.
Get out!
Stop. What are you doing?
Get off me! Get out! Mark! Bastard! Mark!
Stop. What are you doing?
I'm sorry, please. She had the guts to come to my house and harass me? Oh my God. She doesn't know the type of trouble she has gotten herself into. She has no idea because when I'm done with her, she'll forever regret the action she took.
What are you doing?
Involving the police.
So you want to get my girlfriend arrested? Come on.
Really? That's all you can say? All you care about is her. Okay, assuming she injured me, or maybe done something even worse, is this what you'll be saying?
See, okay, I care about you as well. It's just that she has my love, right? I mean, okay, just in all honesty, if you were in her shoes, wouldn't you have done the same thing? Or even worse, if you saw me in a compromising situation with another woman. Just think about it, man.
Yes, she disrupted my photo shoot. But I won't suggest calling the police on her.
Yeah.
But I would rather advise you, Tara, to stay away from Jason. And you, Jason, you have to go home and straighten things with her.
That's a good. I'll see you ladies later. I'm sorry about this.
Tyra, I can't believe that is the type of woman you're messing with her man. She will kill you. It's better you kill every feeling you have for this Jason of a guy before it lands you in trouble.
It's so easy for you to say. You don't have a boyfriend, you don't have a lover, so how will you understand stuff like this?
Yes, I don't have a boyfriend, but at least I don't have someone trying to break my head. Tara, baby, please. Your safety is more important. I can't believe I got slapped in your house.
I'm sorry.
Nelly! 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 What's the meaning of this now? What's this about now? Why are you doing this kind of thing now? What's up now? What's this about now? What's the meaning of this? You know, this is not necessary now. Please open the door. Let me carry my bag inside. Open the door now. What's this about now? What's the meaning of this now?
You must think I'm stupid, Jason. I look like a fool to you. Debbie? Jason, I am tired. I am super tired of the lies, schemes and manipulations. Jason, I spent so many years of my life on you. I gave you all of my love, my sacrifices. Jason, I took you in 2 years ago after your rent expired. Do you remember you promised me true love and marriage? But what did I end up getting? You dished me garbage. Jason, I am done. I am done with everything. So just pack your things and get the hell out of my house.
Come on, don't do this. Okay, you want to throw away everything we share? Everything based on what? Mere speculation. Come on, babe, come on. It's not
mad. No, really? Are you mad? Do I look stupid to you? Jason, I saw you. I caught you red-handed with that stupid girl. And here you are standing lying to my face. Trying to confuse me as though I don't know what I saw. You must be meant. Jason, please. Just pack your things and leave my house.
Please, okay, I know we're angry right now, but let's all just calm down and think about this, okay? Let's go inside and talk about it. It's not what you think it is at all. I can promise you that right now. It's not what you think. Let's just go inside. It's not a good look now. This is outside now. Please, let's just go inside and talk.
You and who? You and who, Jason?
We can sort this out. It's not a big issue.
You crap. Please. Please, oh God, I beg you. Get out of my house. You know me. I don't want to come out here and see you again. You know me. You know me, Jason. You see that here?
It happened exactly how I told you. She misunderstood everything. And by the time I got home, myself was outside. Like, why? It was outside here. I don't understand why she was shouting. I don't know why she behaves like this. She just misunderstood everything and carried myself outside. What if somebody took it now? What if something is missing?
Jason, calm down. Huh? She was angry, yes. But just... Okay, maybe you should just let her cool off. Then you speak to her when she's in a better condition to listen to you.
She doesn't look like she even wants to listen to me at all. The way she was talking to me. She almost fought me. She doesn't want to see me at all. I don't think she's going to listen to anything I'm saying. You should have seen her outside here now shouting.
We all know Nelly. I know Nelly. We know her temper. But relax, she'll cool off. Okay? She's just angry. Listen, my house is your house. We can stay together till she cools off.
Thank you, bro.
Come on, you don't have to do this,
I
man.
don't know why she's doing. It's not necessary now. This is not necessary. What's this? Are we creating drama?
We know.
You see how she was shouting outside? Just shouting. My stuff is outside on the floor. Why is all that drama necessary? Is that drama necessary now?
You're talking as if I'm a new person in this situation. Nelly and her temper, we know. That's her only weakness, her only undoing.
I don't know about only, but it's a major one. It's a major one.
Calm down, man. Calm down.
Nelly, are you... Nelly, if you're in there, please pick up the phone. Just open the door. I need to... Nelly, it's me. Nelly. Please, just open, please, I'm begging you, just open the door. Let's talk about this, okay? I know... I didn't see you go out now. Please, just open the door. Let's talk now. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Please. Nelly. Come on now. This is not... Please now. Okay, I know I hurt you, but it's not what you think. I promise you it's not what you think. Just give me a second, let me explain, please. I'm begging you, please. Nelly, please just open the door, please.
Jason, come on. Why are you sitting like someone died? Okay, Come, let's go inside. Food is ready. It's okay, bro. It's okay. Come on. Just you have to eat. No matter what, okay? We'll find ways to resolve this. Let's go, man. I honestly can't believe Nelly took this nonsense too far.
I don't know what's going on. I mean, my heart is broken. I just feel inexplicable pain right now. I can't even imagine what's happening right now. I don't know.
So what's your plan? What are you going to do now?
I don't know. But one thing is for certain though. I'm not going to sit here and just inconvenience you and your family. I mean, you've done so much for me. So much.
Justin, but we are not complaining.
No. Listen, thank you. I really appreciate it, man. Seriously. Thank you. But I have to go.
Please. No problem. Take care, man. Hello, KK? Where are you guys now? I'm already dressed and waiting. Have you called the stupid Jamaican boy? Just get ready fast so that we can go.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, Nelly, how are you?
I'm fine, how are
Harry, please. I'd like to see Jason.
Which Jason? Come on, Nelly. Jason is not in my house.
But I thought he came to you yesterday.
You thought well. Yes, he was actually in my house yesterday. But he was here waiting for you to come around, to calm down. But you never did. So he carried his bag and left. I don't even know where he went. Nelly. Nelly, I understand how you feel. I've been meaning to tell you this for some time now. You're a good girl. You're a beautiful girl. You're a nice person. And I know very well that you've been there for Jason. Yes, even he knows and he's very grateful. But your temper is your greatest undoing. For a beautiful girl, you have the temper of 1,000 angry warriors. I mean, you get angry, you don't even mind breaking things, scattering everything you have worked so hard to build. That is you, Nelly. It's not nice. I know you guys had issues. I may not know what you were going through, but Jason told me everything. And I think maybe you overreacted, maybe you misjudged him, or maybe all he wanted was a chance to explain things to you. You didn't even give him a chance for communication. You just judged him, and it's not right. It's not right. Maybe you need to work on this. Okay? If I hear anything, I'll let you know.
I've heard you.
I've heard you. Just that? And the same thing when I talk now. I've heard you.
You need to stop crying, please.
Lizzie, how can I stop crying after the disappointment he served me? How?
Babes, do you know that I nearly shut down my life just so he can have life? I overlooked myself just so that this guy will be okay. But I lost so much opportunities because of Jason. Okay, we had a fight yesterday and he could not even endure. He could not endure for me to come out of the pain. He went straight into another woman's arms. Is that not enough to tell me that this guy has been planning to leave me all along?
Nelly, you need to calm down. You need to take it easy. It's not enough for you to cry out your eyes. I don't even know what you were thinking when you chased him out of your house. But see, you need to believe that what will be will be. Please.
I love Jason.
I know.
God knows I love that guy. But I will not watch another woman come in between us. I will not do it. Yes, I am angry with him over what he did, but I do not have plans of leaving him. And anybody that wants to come in between us, they will not love what I will do.
See. You need to take it easy. You need to calm down. Okay? It's your temper. It's getting too much, oh. You will chase this man away with this temper. Yeah? And I strongly believe that you might need them. Yes, you will need them. So please take it easy. Calm down.
Does it look to you like a bloody care? I don't care. One thing is certain though. I will not lose Jason. I will not lose my Jason. I will not lose him to any woman, especially not that tyrant.
Nelly, calm down. Calm down, okay? You will not lose him. Yes. In fact, you can't lose him. But you may not lose him to Tyra. But you may lose him to your temper. Yes. Because your greatest enemy may not be Tyra, but your temper.
Yeah, good day.
Please, I'm here to see Jason.
And who are you?
Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. My name is Tyra.
Oh, Tyra. Well, Jason is not around. He had some issues, some problems with a girlfriend, and she threw him out.
Oh no. This is bad. Do you know when he's coming back?
I don't know when he's coming back. I don't know where he is. And I don't also know how he's doing.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Wow. Bye. Some of these girls get hurt. You say you get hurt? Come to look for this guy. You don't know Nelly. You don't know Nelly. If Nelly Kolobi you.
Tara, can you please calm down? Please.
I can't calm down. How do you expect me to calm down when that God-forsaken woman threw him out of her house? How could she? Now she doesn't have him, neither do I.
Tara, I understand. I understand how you feel. But you see, Jason is not a child. He can take proper care of himself. And maybe he decided to stay away from the two of you so he can think what next to do.
Okay, listen. What if he has fallen in the hands of bad people? Or maybe gotten into some kind of trouble? What will I do?
He has not gotten into any trouble. Look, that young man is going through emotional trauma. And coming here will send a bad signal to the girlfriend, who already suspects there is something going on between you two. Like I said, you have to ease your heart, okay? Calm down.
I just hope he's okay. I
He
just hope he's
is.
alright.
He is.
I can't even reach him.
It's okay. Alright? Calm down.
Thank you.
You'll be fine, alright?
Hello.
Hello.
Good day.
Welcome. How are you?
I'm not fine. Look, I know I must have caused your friend a lot of problems in his life. That's why he has decided to stay away. But the truth is that I truly love Jason from the depths of my heart. And I've been trying to reach him all this while. His phone is switched off. I don't know where to reach him, but something in my mind tells me that you're still in contact with him. Please, I beg you. Make me see him. Help me out. I really need to see him.
Tyra, first of all, I would like to apologize to you for the way I spoke to you the other day. I mean, my attitude towards you, it wasn't the best, but I'm sorry. But about my friend, I mean, considering what is happening in his life right now, don't you think it's best if you forget about him? Yes. So he could focus on his life, put himself together and get some peace, some kind of peace. I mean, it would do you both a lot good to move your separate ways. Some things are just not meant to be, you know that. Maybe this thing, it's part of those things that are not meant to be.
Look, please, I beg you. Give me a chance to see him just this once, please.
You think I'm lying to you? I don't know where Jason is. And his number is not going through.
₦100,000.
Fine girl with big God, big money. You're throwing it around. I don't know where he is. I'm not lying to you.
200,000 naira.
Hey. It's beginning to sound like an insult. What do you mean by that? Why are you offering me money? I'm just telling you I don't know where my friend is. And you're offering me money. Don't insult me, please.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't know where Jason is. And truly, his line is off.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Person could just wake up to insult.
Madam.
Just hold on, let me tell her you are here.
Are you mad? I said I want to see your madam, you're telling me you want to
just hold on, let me tell her.
Open this bloody gate. I said, are you mad? Open this gate, let me enter inside.
Hold on, let me tell her you are here.
It be like say crazy, they worry you. It be like say you want to make her dead you.
Let her be.
Better. You
disgusting daughter of Jezebel.
Excuse me?
You still have the guts to show up in my house?
You must be popping champagne, eh? Celebrating because you think you now have my man. But let me tell you something. Do not rejoice quite soon because it is not over until it actually is.
What a stupid and desperate woman you are.
What?
To have left a good man like Jason for what? Mere assumptions?
Now listen, miss. Jason is mine and will always be mine. Now get that into your little thick skull. So why don't you go in there, tell him to come outside so we can go home?
You're obviously mentally deranged.
Are you mad?
The last time you came ranting, I let you be. But now, if you dare me, I will make sure you rot in jail.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Get out of my house.
Oh, of course I will leave your house. But let me tell you something and get this very, very clear. Not while I am alive will you have Jason. I swear and I promise you it is over my dead body. I'll be seeing you soon. Why can't I open this gate, man? Come on for here. I can open this bloody
just
gate.
Just hold it.
Don't talk to me. Open this gate.
Can you imagine? Someone come and marry you and put in his house.
Why did you go to her house to threaten her? Why not? Oh, you expect me to sit, fold my arms and watch that girl take Jason away from me? After everything I have sacrificed? Ha!
Okay. And who makes you think Jason is with her?
And what kind of silly question is that? Lizzie, I am not a child. That girl has snatched my man from me. And I promise I will make her life a living hell.
Instead of you looking for your man and sorting out things with him, you're going to fight the innocent girl, young lady. Young lady, focus on finding Jason and sort out things with him.
There is nothing to sort out with Jason. I hate him. Oh, I detest Jason with so much passion. And I swear he will know no peace as long as he lives. See the pain he caused me, he will experience the same level of pain, I swear.
This is the temper I'm talking about. You are too harsh.
I don't bloody care.
Hello, Mr. Perfect. I'm looking for Jason. Have you seen or heard from Jason lately? Okay, I'm looking for Jason, and I'll really appreciate it if you can share with me any useful information that would lead to his whereabouts.
yourself like that? I've been looking for you all over the place. Why did you do this?
I'm sorry.
Do you know what your absence has cost me? Please. Can we just talk? Please.
I felt it was best I stayed away from both of you. So I moved to a part of town where I felt none of you could find me. But I guess there's no limits to the extent a loving heart will go in search of what it wants. Here I am with you again.
When I went to your house, I saw your friend, and he told me that she threw you away.
Yeah, well, I was with my friend for a while I was begging her. I was begging, but she didn't want to hear anything from me. She didn't pick up my calls. She didn't reply my text messages, nothing. So I just figured she was over us, so I had to leave.
She came here threatening fire and brimstone, saying that she can never watch you and I be together.
My mom said she came to her place and accused me of leaving her for you. And said she would do something crazy if she sees us together. I mean, her level of jealousy and just how insecure she is, it's becoming very alarming, Truth is, I love her. I love her, right? And I was ready to lay down everything and keep my promises to her. But just how jealous she is and how violent she can get and her general approach to the whole situation just put me off. I mean, she didn't even come looking for me. She didn't. And while I was talking to her, trying to reach out to her, she didn't want to listen to me. She didn't want to hear anything from me. So I'm done. I'm just moving on.
What do you mean?
You know how violent Nelly can get. She can get very violent. I don't want anything to happen to you because of me. So I'm going to have to move away and start a new, simpler life.
But you don't have to do that.
Please, don't try to stop me, okay? It's the best thing to do for all of us. It's my decision and it's final. I mean, I don't even recognize you anymore. You've changed. And I don't want to make any decision that will make the situation even worse. I mean, you made threats to lives. You did that. It's better safe than sorry, so it's over between us. It's over.
Jason, you can't say that. You can't say that, Jason, please. Look, I'm sorry. I promise you, everything I said was completely out of anger. I didn't mean any of those things, please.
I'm sorry. No. Just stop.
You cannot do this, Jason.
No, listen. There's no time to explain. That time has gone, okay? We're in a different phase now, okay? So you don't need to explain anything. I've made my decision and it's final.
Jason, it's me.
I have to go. Okay? Take care of yourself.
Jason. Jason, wait.
Alright, take care.
Jason. I've made up my mind to respect your decision, as that is in your best interest. But I made you a promise and I would love to fulfill it. I'm sure the money there will be enough to get you a good apartment and help you set up your photo studio.
Thank you so much.
I love you so much, Jason.
I knew this was the plan all along. To lay me off just so you can run into her arms. Oh, Jesus. You have no idea that I am the master of this game. And you, Tyra, I warned you. I told you to stay away from my man, but you refused to listen. Well, there is no rest for the wicked. And you both rest.
No.
Where were you now? Oh God, don't let her enter this compound. She hit my head with God. I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry. We should call the police. We should call the police.
Yes, I need to
Hey,
get
stop! Stop!
Indeed, the heart knows what it wants. I've always wanted you. And now I have all of you.
You know, people say you don't know what you have until you lose it. I think you don't know what you're missing until you experience it. You know, love should bring happiness and peace and all-around security. My heart warms to you. I have no doubts or fears about the beautiful, beautiful memories we're going to create together.
I love you so much. And I promise to be your peace. Your backbone. Your love. Your succor. I promise to be your forever and everything. I love you so much, my big, big, big teddy bear.
To the moon and back. I love you forever. I love only you, my beautiful Tyra. I love you.
I love you too.
You said that like a million times. Because it's true.
Yes, it's true.